Hey, it's Mac. Welcome to Holistic Health Talk. Hey, today I'm going to talk about calcium deficiencies. And I'm going to give y'all a list of calcium-rich foods. You know, I've been in this industry for over 20 years. And I want to show y'all how to detect if you even have a deficiency. Yeah, something that's called kinesiology or muscle testing, it's better known as. It's a modality that detects nutritional deficiencies in your body with various stimulus points. Now, I do give comprehensive health assessments for people that have things like arthritis, kidney disease, gout, diabetes, heart disease, and things like that. Now, if you're interested in something like that, then maybe near the end of this video, I'm going to talk more, give you some details on it. And it's free, doesn't cost anything, especially if you're a follower of my channel. But right now, let's get right into the video.
Let's get started. The most important thing to know about any type of muscle testing, no matter what method you choose, is that you're going to get your best results if you're fully hydrated. So if you had a few extra cups of coffee this morning or a little bit of alcohol last evening, you may want to return to this video and look at it again when you're more fully hydrated. But there is something that you can do even if you're not completely hydrated. The body has a way of working with us when we want something from it, and there's a way that we can kind of trick our kidneys into thinking that we're hydrated. So let me show you that. You take your hands and you place them gently back here where your kidneys are, and you press gently for 20 seconds. This has a way of tricking your kidneys into thinking that you're hydrated. So you can try that if you're not testing correctly. Another thing that's extremely important for muscle testing is that our polarities are aligned. When the right and the left side of our brain are not working in union together, that can give us a false positive on our muscle testing. So let me show you what you can do to help align the right and the left sides of your brain. You put your arms out in front of you like this, cross them, turn your palms inward facing each other, lace your fingers together, and then bring your hands through like this. Classroom teachers use this technique to help their students to be able to work from both the right and the left side of the brain, and it gives them increased focus. So once you're fully hydrated and your polarities are aligned, then you're ready to do your muscle testing. Now, here's something that will also give you better results on the standing muscle testing, which is what I'm showing you today. If you know which direction is north in the building where you are now located, if you will face north, then that will give you a better reading. If you can't face north for some reason, or you don't know which direction is north in the building that you're in now, it's perfectly okay. You'll still get a reading. Okay, so I'm facing north in the building where I'm doing this recording now. You want to stand with your feet a comfortable shoulder width apart. Your hands will be relaxed by your side. You'll take a deep breath in and out. And with your eyes closed, tell your body silently to relax. Now, watch what happens when I test myself. Standing in the position that I gave you, facing north with my feet shoulder width apart, hands by my side, taking a deep breath in and out. With my eyes closed, I silently tell my body to relax. And then out loud, I say, yes, yes, yes. And I allow my body to move whichever way it feels it wants to move. And as you can see, my body fell slightly forward. Now let's try this again. Coming back to center, hands relaxed by my side, closing my eyes, telling my body to relax, and this time out loud, I'm going to say no, no, no. And you see my body falls backwards. So the correct way of muscle testing is to fall forward for a yes and back for a no. About 82% of the population has success with this the first time that they do it. And remember, like I said, being fully hydrated and having your polarities aligned can make a big difference. So, why would we want to be able to do this? Well, as I said earlier, this method, or any of the other muscle testing methods, can give you information from your subconscious. And in theta healing, we use the muscle testing technique to find beliefs that we're holding on our energetic system that may no longer be serving us. For example, you might try this. I love myself. And you see I fall forward. There was a time when I didn't fall forward on that statement, but after working on myself and working with other theta healers, I've now shifted that and I fall forward on the statement, I love myself. Here's another one you can try. I am comfortable meeting new people. And you see I fall backwards, so that's a no.
Okay, those that are interested in the health assessments that I give, all it is questions. It's about 30, maybe 35 questions. And it's like yes or no. Either this is you or it's not you. And it pertains to things that have been happening to you maybe in the last 6 months or so. I send it by email right there at info@holistichealthtalk.org. And you will be able to send it back to me by email. I'll give you the results of it, which will be a plan that will help you manage or prevent whatever that situation or condition is and live healthier and happier. So if you're interested in that, just email me. Let me know, hey Mac, I want the comprehensive assessment. Then I can do that. All right. I do have a video with one of my followers who tells her testimonial of the health assessment I gave her. So I hope that helps you all. Hey, well, that's all I have today, folks. Thanks for stopping by Holistic Health Talk. And don't forget, like and share. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you in our next video at Holistic Health Talk.